In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a client from your dashboard. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting a client is usually a permanent action. That means their associated records, like notes, files, or linked projects, may also be removed depending on your platform. If you're uncertain, take a moment to confirm with your team or review your organization's data policy. With that in mind, let's walk through the process clearly and confidently. First, open your dashboard and look to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a navigation menu there. Find and click on Clients. This section is where all your client profiles are organized. If you manage a long list, you can use the search bar or filters to locate a specific client faster. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or account if your tool supports multiple environments, so you don't accidentally remove a client from the wrong place. Next, choose the client you want to delete. Carefully verify the client's name and any identifying details displayed on the profile page or in the list. This is a great moment to double check that you're selecting the right record, especially if some clients have similar names. If your platform shows a summary, like recent activity or attached items, scan it briefly to confirm you're deleting the intended profile. Once you're viewing the correct client, look to the upper right area of the screen for the More Actions menu. It may appear as a labeled button, a gear icon, or a three-dot menu. Click it to open the actions available for this client. You're looking for the delete option within that menu. If you don't see it immediately, scroll within the drop-down or check for a submenu. Now, click delete. Most systems will prompt you to confirm your choice to help prevent accidental removals. Read the confirmation message carefully. It often outlines what will happen next, such as whether the deletion is permanent and if related data will also be removed. If you're certain, proceed with the confirmation. The client will be deleted and you should see a success message or be redirected back to your client list. That's it. To recap in simple terms, go to Clients on the left, select the client you want to remove, open More Actions in the upper right, and choose Delete. Take a moment to ensure it's the correct client before finalizing. If your organization prefers keeping historical records, consider whether archiving is available instead of deleting. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your client list safely.